This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Wiper blades renewal. Turn the ignition on, then off, and press the wiper switch stalk down once. This places the arms in the service position. Lift the wiper from the screen and press the securing clip, then slide the blade upwards from the end of the wiper arm. Place a thick cloth on the windscreen to prevent the arm from damaging the glass. To fit the new blade, slide it downwards into the wiper arm until the clip engages. When completed, return the blades to the park position by pressing the wiper switch stalk again. Rear wiper blade. Lift the wiper arm from the rear screen and press the securing clip, then slide the blade outwards from the end of the wiper arm. Place a cloth on the screen so the wiper arm doesn't damage the glass. To fit the new blade, lift the wiper arm from the glass, then push the blade into the arm until the clip engages.